Welcome to Codart. I am Yati Sinha and I'll be teaching you single instruction, single data stream. So previously we have learned about the Flames classification and we'll be learning some further things about that. So the computer architecture is divided according to Flynn's classification in four types, that is SISD, single instruction, single data stream, single instruction, multiple data, that is SIMD, then MISD, multiple instruction and single data, then MIMD, that is multiple instruction and multiple data. So today we'll be learning about SISD. So single instruction, single data stream. So what do you think? Like, what does the name tell you? Okay, so this single instruction. Single instruction means that only one instruction stream is being acted or executed by the CPU during one clock cycle. Okay, and then this this was all about single instruction, single. Now we'll talk about single data stream. So what does single data stream mean? Single data stream means that only one data stream is used as the input during one clock cycle. Okay. So if we see this diagram, okay, so in SIMD what happens is the memory unit gives the instruction to the control unit. We all know that instruction is stored in the memory and we take it to the control unit. Then the control unit passes that single instruction to the processing unit. Okay, and then this single instruction is executed and performed the task that was to be done in the ALU or execution unit, and then it is again written back to the memory unit. Okay, so in single instruction, single data stream, what happens is
we take a single processor or a uniprocessor machine and only a single instruction stream is passed to the control unit which further processes only a single data stream and stores it back to the memory unit. Okay, so what happens is only one instruction is processed using only a single data stream here. In SISD,
a computing system is a uniprocessor machine that is capable of executing a single instruction operating on a single data stream. Like we have two key points: single instruction and single data stream. Okay, so this means that only a single instruction will be passed and it will be performed, like single task will be performed at one time. Okay, so the most conventional computers have SISD architecture, and here all the instructions and data to be processed are stored in the primary memory. Okay, so this is the this memory unit is treated as the primary memory unit. Okay, thus we can say that in single instruction, single data stream, we refer to an instruction set architecture which uses a single processor, like single CPU, that executes only on a single instruction stream. Okay, that is a single instruction stream, and that happens at a particular instant of time, and at that time only we can refer to a single data stream only from the memory unit. Okay, so it is the most simple way of representing Van Neumann's architecture, and this is the simplest way to have instruction set architecture, and most conventional computers are still using this. Okay, as this is the simplest one, so this is very easy to be made, and what I say is, like, this is very simple to be implemented in real life. Okay, so this is the most used one. As we move further, the complexity increases, and thus similarly the cost also increases. So that is the main reason some processors are still using single instruction, single data stream. So this was all. I hope you have got some idea about single instruction, single data stream. So that's it.